Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. In this short episode, I get my classic car stuck in the snow. Went to pick up Mick so he can come and drive the Falcon home, or his Comet home. And my Mustang won't make it up the driveway. I'm stuck, so I'm gonna get a shovel and a bunch of salt. There's a little incline and those tires just are useless in snow.
The joys of driving your classic car, man.
Yeah.
All right, Dan's gonna give it another try here. He threw down some rock salt. Here he goes. Going back. Gonna try for running start. Go back again.
Well, at least I'm out of the street.
Yeah. Stop it.
Yeah. I didn't record the other part, but once the car got stuck up here, we just threw some salt down and Mick was starting to shovel off in front of the car. But with that extra salt and grip right there, I just put it in drive and slowly drove up and got it put away in the garage. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. And remember, performance tires are useless in the snow. Bye.